I'm Steve and welcome to my channel.
How are you doing, sir? You alright? Good. When you come back, I told him, I'm playing come from fire, and well, come from Norfolk, man, come down early tonight. You wouldn't modify car section, that's what I like. That's the most normal one. That's peasants. That's the common. That's peasants, yeah. Next one. You doing alright? Yeah.
AC/DC.
All right.
I never done that in that colour, did I?
Yeah, it's got nice on it here. Yeah. I took some donuts.
Get ourselves on YouTube.
Hey?
Will we get ourselves on YouTube?
Yes. Yes, I've got a few clips today, so I should be able to make one.
I thought, yeah, I could see how you could do that. Like you said, I shoot the flag, shoot the show. Yeah, I guess,
Anyway, nice.
All right, see you. See ya.
How are you?
All right.
I put some pictures on top of the
Yeah,
car.
I looked at them.
Any pictures?
Can we have everybody around here, please, for the Buckingham meet? Right, I just want to thank everybody for coming out today, and I would love you to travel a long way to come to see us today, supporting us on the page and promoting us and getting all your friends to come along too and join the page, which is brilliant. I enjoy the fact when you're posting pictures on there and your stories and your photos and your memories and things you post on, which is really good. Spreads the word, especially about this meet. It's quite historic. It's been going, what, 40 odd years?
Keith would tell us that.
Yeah, Keith was the first one.
First one was spring of '77, Buckingham.
So
No, I was here, Keith. I was here.
it's taken a few years then. So this meet happens because of all you and your donations to pay for it. Regarding the money wise, this year has cost us £6 more than last year. Last year was 549. This year was 556 from your donations. We've got £76 in the kitty, so we need at least £500 in a donation to happen for next year. So if you haven't already donated, if you could, that would be brilliant. Anything at all, everything goes towards a good cause, and it happens, year after year, and we want to keep it happening. So your donations, they keep us afloat. So thank you all very much for that. Round of applause. So, the moment you've all been waiting for, all year. Yeah, exactly. So, the winner. No. I must say, this is the first time I've taken out this box since I bought it. So, our award, and it's the People's Choice of the Buckingham Meet 2024, and the winner of this year's award goes to, no surprise, UYD 819.
Yeah.
Well, glad coming, weren't it? Yeah. So, that's for you. Should I take a picture?
Oh.
So I'll hand the bucket over to Lisa for any donations that you want to make. And again, thank you for your time and thank you for the interest in keeping this meet going. And without you lot, then it wouldn't happen. So thank you very much. Well done.
Wrong with the car, you understand? It's a defective tyre. But did he drill the hole? Who drilled them bloody holes in the...
See ya.
Again, totally not know any of that.
That was the third time. That was the second time.
Watch me legs, yep. There you go. Just for you. You go steady, you two.
We're not going yet.
And yeah.